Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So in my last class I was introducing a pop-up to you, how to how to show a pop-up on your website or on your web application. So today I'll be dealing with pop-up toast. I told you we have modal and at the same time we have pop-up toast. So in this pop-up toast we'll be making use of a customized pop-up toast which was designed by Bootstrap. So for us to be able to carry that out, we must have our Bootstrap package installed or have it inside our root folder, and also our jQuery package also. So we will link our jQuery package to our home page and to our HTML file, and at the same time we link our bootstrap.js also. Then we insert our customized pop-up container div etc that we copied from the bootstrap page. So we insert it. This one they are customized bootstrap. So the next thing we are going to do is that we are going to create a JavaScript which will be controlling all the functions that we need. We actually need two functions on this particular class, and the first function is window.onload function, which is equals to, we'll be passing another parameter function to it, and also we'll be having another function. We name that function anything we like. So I name it function toast t. Okay, toast t. So inside this function, but before we continue with the function, we are going to make a constant variable. We name it trig_me. So the constant variable will be referring to document.getElement. So this element will be referring to is element id. So it must get element of id. So the element we'll be referring to inside this object is that the element that we wanted to be showing, to be displaying our pop-up. So we select this particular id, that is this particular element. If you can see, if we trigger to close up the tags, you can see everything inside the tags is here. So we make use of this one, we name it, then we put it there as live toast. Yes, so it is this particular element that we'll be referring to in our function here. So inside this function we name another constant. We name that constant to be toast status, that is tst, should be equals to new bootstrap dot toast. So this function, inside this function we're now going to be making use of this trig_me. We'll be making use of this trig_me and we'll post it inside. So after then we will now ask the tst object to show. So all this function has already been embedded inside our bootstrap.js before, so using it here is like an advantage. We're just making use of it. If your bootstrap.js is not connected with this before, definitely this function might not work. So in here, inside this function, if we ask this function, that is whenever the windows load, it should perform our toast t function. So if we save it and refresh, you can see that it's showing our operation. You can see, but this operation only stay online for just 5 seconds. Now we want to increase it so that will be popping up every time. So it is in here we are going to make use of another function called set interval. Inside that set interval, we are going to be making use of a timer. So a function and timer. Then for how many minutes? 1000 means 1 second. So if the pop-up toast by default will only show for 5 seconds and dismiss. So if the pop-up show for 5 seconds and dismiss, we should add another 5 seconds before the interval of another pop-up. So if we add the first 5 seconds that it used to show and the dismiss together, that will be 10 seconds. So we want this operation to be repeating itself after 10 seconds. So inside this function here, we are going to remove our toast from that place and post it here. So that is, it should be carrying up the toast function for the interval of 10 seconds. So if we save it and refresh our page, so the thing should pop up after 10 seconds. Should pop up after 10 seconds. As you can see now, it pops up. If it goes off now and after another 5 seconds, 5 seconds for pop-up, 5 seconds for dismiss, we add it together making 10 seconds. That is, after 5 seconds this operation will be showing, as you can see now. So maybe we want to change the direction of where the object is being pop up, so we can come to the main container here and set it to bottom. If we set it to bottom and save and refresh our page, or we see where the pop-up will be showing. Let's see. As you can see, the pop-up shows at the bottom. Likewise, if you change it, maybe you want it to show at the end of the page, like let's say 90, but we are going to make use of it as end. If we name it end and save and refresh, let's see where it's going to show. Let's see where it's going to show. It should display now. What's happening? Okay. Let's save it again and refresh. As you can see, it's already showing at the left right hand side at the bottom of the page. So that is how to create your pop-up toast in Bootstrap. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please it's a master class web development. Please, the only way to encourage this is to watch my video, like and subscribe to the channel for more video. Remember, I'm going to be developing a full web project, and that web project will be a e-commerce project. So please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.